turkey pot pie using leftovers with a fresh bechamel sauce. Wasted turkey leftovers? Not in my kitchen. Watch this.
Okay, everybody, let's get to work cooking this fantastic turkey pot pie. Start out by dicing up your turkey. You can use a combination of the white and dark meat. The vegetable combination I'm using tonight for this turkey pot pie includes celery, carrots, onions. I even have some red peppers that were left in the fridge. We'll saute those up and get them a little bit soft with some olive oil.
How much salt you putting in there, Ma?
A pinch, not a punch.
We've seasoned up those vegetables. We'll go ahead and set them aside so we can move on to our bechamel sauce. We're using butter and flour. We add in a little bit at a time. And then here comes that nice fresh turkey stock, and give it a little whisk. And there is some heavy cream. You can use milk here as well. And I'm cooking with leftovers. I'll use whatever I have in the fridge.
No lumps.
We're just mixing this bechamel sauce to remove any lumps, but we want to be certain that we don't over mix it. Once you have your pie plate ready, we're going to be layering in Filo pastry, and in between each layer we'll be brushing in some nice melted butter. We're making a 5-layer on the bottom of Filo pastry. You can make it with a little bit less or a little bit more, that's your choice. Now we'll simply go ahead and layer in some of our vegetables, a little bit of the sauce, and there is that turkey. And look at that, we'll finish off with a little bit more of that bechamel sauce right up to the top. And next up, we're gonna do the same with the Filo pastry on the top. We're going to layer that with some melted butter. You can use 3, 4, 5 sheets of that Filo pastry layered in, and then we'll simply go ahead and roll up the sides. Do me a favor as well, be sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow the YouTube channel. Before you place your pie in the oven, use a serrated knife, and you can create room for that pie to breathe while it's cooking, and it's also going to be a little bit easier for you to cut when you remove it from the oven. Leftovers do not need to be boring. All you have to do is become a little bit creative, and you can make fantastic, easy recipes in your own kitchen.
Turkey pot pie using leftovers, everybody. Look at that. I mean, that's not a bad scoop, considering I was trying to put a square in a triangle. Look at the inside of our, ooh, that's hot, of our turkey pot pie. Look at that. Anxious to give this one a try. Let's see how we've done. Held together pretty darn good too. It's still steaming. This is gonna burn too, but what the heck. Oh yeah. Boom! This one's fantastic. A creamy bechamel sauce. The Filo pastry, incredible. And turkey leftovers, so check out that easy recipe. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is good. This is worthy of more than a triple boom. Wow.